If you've ever thought about starting an online business after 50, but felt overwhelmed, unsure, and maybe a little fearful, I've made this video for you. I want to share with you the 3 things that you need to do before you start so that you can move forward with clarity and confidence instead of spinning your wheels. Stay with me because the first step might surprise you. Before we dive in, I just want to share with you who I am. My name's Carol. I sold my business at 56, and now in selective retirement, I'm creating meaningful income streams online while living a life of purpose and faith. I help women over 50 take steps towards financial freedom and impact. Many women over 50 tell me that they've worked hard for decades, and yet they feel unprepared for the retirement they've dreamed of. They want more income, yes, but even more, they want to live freely, serve God, and make an impact in this next chapter of their life. If this sounds like you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 key steps to bring clarity and help you start building an income without stress, confusion, or overwhelm. I remember the moment clearly. I had been praying, God, what's next for me? How can I serve and still have the freedom I desire? I felt a gentle conviction, a sense that He had already equipped me for this next chapter. It was during this time that I reflected on 2 Corinthians 9:8. And God will generously provide all that you need. Then you will always have everything you need and plenty left over to share with others. Something clicked. I realized I didn't need to have everything figured out on my own. God had provided the gifts, resources, and opportunities. I just needed to trust Him and take the steps that He put in front of me. That clarity gave me great confidence. Instead of fear or overwhelm, I felt peaceful direction. And today I want to share with you the 3 steps that can give you clarity even before you start your business. Step 1, get clear on your purpose. Before you do anything else, take a moment to ask yourself, why do I want to do this? Is it just for extra income? Or is it to have the freedom to serve, to make an impact, and to live the life God has called you to live? Write it down. Speak it out loud. Pray about it. This step may feel simple, but it's the foundation. Everything else flows from a faith-fed, purpose-filled decision. When I first wrote down my why, it helped me see opportunities that I hadn't seen before, because now I knew what I was aiming for. Step 2, identify your strengths and gifts. Next, take stock of what you have already done. Don't start by looking outside for skills and tools. You may need these too, but start with the gifts and abilities that God gives to every believer. What are your natural talents? What experience have you gained in your career, your volunteer work, and even your hobbies? What brings you joy and energizes you? For me, it was years of hosting students in my home. My love for encouraging and teaching, and my joy in mentoring others. Once I mapped my gifts with potential ways to serve online, the path became clearer. This step doesn't just make sense. It reminds us that God equips us for the work that He's called us to do. You already have what you need. Sometimes you just need to see it more clearly. Step 3, plan with clarity, not perfection. The 3rd step is planning, but here's the catch. This isn't about creating a perfect 12-month plan. It's about creating a plan that gives you direction and keeps you moving forward. Set small, actionable steps. Choose one idea to focus on first, and give yourself grace to adjust as you go. I started with a simple, easy-to-follow program, something I could deliver with confidence and serve others through. That decision came from prayer, reflection, and clarity about my purpose and gifts. That's when I realized when you develop your plan with trust, it doesn't feel overwhelming. It feels doable. You can move forward with confidence instead of stress. When I took these 3 steps, clarifying my purpose, identifying my gifts, and clarifying my plan, there was a shift. I felt equipped, confident, and ready to step into the next chapter of my life with peace. If you've been encouraged by this video, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so that you can continue to learn how to earn income online after 50. And if you'd like to learn more details about the exact program that I'm following, you can find the details in the link in my description. In the coming months, I'm excited to invite you into my new community that'll be launching in late December 2025, where you can connect with others on the same journey, share wins, and find encouragement as you grow your finances and influence. Remember, it's not about rushing or doing it alone. God equips us for every good work, and with clarity, your next steps become obvious. Start today with those next 3 steps: purpose, strength, and clarity, and take the first small step toward the life you've dreamed of. In the next video, you'll discover the laziest side hustle to start in 2025. Perfect for those beginners over 50 who want to experience financial freedom, passive income, and a flexible work-from-home lifestyle. I'll share how digital marketing, automation, and master resale rights can help you retire early, create multiple streams of income, and build your own online business step by step. Thanks for subscribing. See you in the next video.